Welcome everyone. Today we are going to be making healthy chocolate. And by that I mean chocolate that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, or no sugar for that matter. So the main ingredient that we're going to use is cocoa powder. And cocoa powder is the main ingredient in chocolate, and it comes from dried fermented cocoa beans that are. So you might be wondering why we'll need this chocolate, and I'll tell you why. Because to make the chocolate, when we combine the cocoa powder with all the other ingredients, we need to temper it. So tempering basically makes the chocolate hard. There are like a million other ways to temper it, but one of the easiest ways is to just put a little piece of ready-made chocolate into it while we mix it into the other ingredients. So this is just stevia. It's like a healthy version of sugar. You can put sugar if you want, but if you want it to be healthy, then just put stevia. And this is a block of butter. We need butter so that when we melt this butter, so that it becomes a liquid, so that when we mix it with all the other ingredients, it becomes like this paste. And when we make the paste, we put it into the mold, and then in the freezer, and after that it becomes chocolate. So anyways, let's begin. So this is the butter. To melt it, you need to put it in the microwave for at least 50 seconds. You take your butter out of the microwave and it needs to look like this. It smells like cheese. So here we have our cocoa powder. This is the plate we're gonna put it in. So we just put all our cocoa powder in there. Okay, that's a little bit too much. And then we add some of our packets of stevia. You can use sugar, as I told you. Fell in there. 4 packets. You mix it up until it turns into this paste. So this is how your paste is supposed to look like. Looks pretty. And now we're gonna put it in our pot. And we last a little bit. It's mixing, it's getting hotter. We put a bit more butter so that it becomes more like a paste. We put in a little bit of our chocolate for tempering. Put in 1 piece at a time. Mix it up really well. Melts up really easily. So whatever molds you have. I like to use these cupcake holders and an ice cube tray. So this is how it's supposed to look like. The one that we made here is dark chocolate, but you can add milk powder to the mixture to make it milk chocolate. So it becomes hard if you put it in the freezer overnight. I mean in the fridge.